Hello, tech lovers. I welcome you to my channel, and this is TechwithBunmi. We talk about online businesses, how to make money through passive income, and the likes. Okay, please join the tech family. Okay, and in today's video, we're going to be talking about affiliate marketing, how to sell your affiliate link on Quora. Are you hearing Quora for the first time? Please leave a comment down there. Let me know if you're hearing Quora for the first time. And the meaning of Quora is a platform where you answer questions. Okay, there are questions on the platform and you answer it. And I'm going to be giving you some tools on how you're going to be answering these questions. I will be giving you some inner secrets on how to sell your affiliate link for free, okay, with total free traffic, okay, and make you unique with affiliate marketing. So, without any further ado, let's just dive straight into the main tutorials for today. Please do not miss any slide from this video. Watch this video to the end and enjoy this video as we continue. Hello tech lovers, for you to create your account, your free account on Quora, you need to create a profile. Okay, so this is my profile on Quora, and you can decide if you don't want to put your name, you can put any of your nickname, but you must have an identity. Okay, if you don't want to put your picture, you can put your logo here, and you need to be precise of your niche. Okay, so if you are into food content, you put your food content, you put it here. If you are into digital marketing, online business, you put it here. But for this profile, as you can see, I put health and fitness expert. So this is what I'm going to be based on my niche with Quora. And as you all know, Quora is a place where you answer questions. Okay, so we're going to be searching on this search, and we're going to be putting, okay, we'll search for health and fitness. And because of, so that our profile will be, we need to create a profile so that our profile is going to have credibility. Okay, so we need to we have a credibility profile. Okay, so now these are some questions that will pop up to answer on Quora. Okay, but some of these questions here, if you answer some of these questions, they are not instant questions that will lead them to go and click, to go and click your affiliate link to purchase something. Okay, so I'm going to be putting us through something where we have some intentional questions, we have some keywords to use, what we're looking for if you want to get instant traffic on your affiliate link. Okay, so now this is what is the buyer's keywords. So if we scroll down, we have the information keywords, which is the how, what, guy, tips, where, why, quickly. Okay, if you see some questions like this, you might not get your traffic quick. Okay, so but we're going to be saying, we have commercial keywords like review, best, color, size, and compare. And we also have transactional keywords, which is where to buy, order online, affordable, near me, how much is. These are instant questions. Okay, these are what you should be aiming at on Quora for you to get that traffic you need. Okay, and buy now traffic is coupon, discount, how to buy now, sales, best place to buy, online, on sales, both purchase, promo, and others. So these are the alternate keywords, and we have to be intentional with our keywords, okay? Because we want to make money while we answer questions. So from this that I've given us tips on, a lot of people miss out on it. They don't know the difference between information keywords, they don't know navigational keywords, commercial keywords, and now you know how to go about it. So now we now come to our affiliate platform that we want to use. So we'll come to the affiliate marketplace, right? And we're going to come to top offer. So since we are dealing with weight loss, health and fitness, I can click on health and fitness, and you can come here to search for so graffiti from high to low is going to give you the best selling product, okay, that is being sold. So Applin is one of the best selling products and is a supplement for health and fitness. So we're going to be using this to promote on Quora. Okay, so now we'll now come to um Quora again, and we're going to add like supplements because that is what we want to sell. Okay, so I'm going to add supplements to this. Okay, and I'm going to click on enter. So can you see that we have some related questions here? Where to buy the trusted supplement for health and fitness? I'm going to be clicking on this, and you can see that these are some questions here. And if we scroll down, you will see more of these questions. How do people become so fat? Right? How do you get hundreds of high authority? No. What are the best ways to lose weight? Okay, so now we can, because we are selling this product on Clickbank. Let's go to top offer, scroll down. I'm doing health and fitness, and I'm ranking this because we are selling this upline. Okay, note this, we are selling this upline, so this can go. Okay, so we can come to what are the best ways to lose weight. Okay, basically all depends. Can you see all this? So someone answered this question, right, and actually put a picture, which we are going to be doing something similar like this. Okay, and as you can see how many views this person has, 5.8 views. Okay, and as you can see the comments here, and 120 people share this video, share this content. Okay, so now we're going to, because adding a picture under your questions, under your answers, makes you unique. Okay, so now so I'll come to ChatGPT, and I'm going to ask ChatGPT to generate an article on this topic, on this paste. Okay, generates an article on what are the best ways to lose weight. Okay, so I'm going to click on answer, then ChatGPT is going to give us the answer. So as you can see, that ChatGPT is listing some stuff for us. It's saying that adopt a healthy and balanced diet, okay, by taking fruit, vegetables. Then 2, engage in regular exercise, physical activities, okay, and get enough sleep. Number 3. So number 4, stay hydrated. That is, we have to drink water every day. Drink plenty of water. Then keep a food diary. Keep a food diary can help you track what you eat, how much you eat, and how you eat. Okay. Then in conclusion, losing weight is this. So now we're going to copy this, right? We're going to copy this, and we're going to answer that question on Quora. So now we'll come to Quora. And I'm going to answer this question now. I'll click on answer. So now I'm going to answer this question. I'm going to paste it here. And I pasted it here. And I cannot post it like this. I want it to be very unique. So I'm going to add a picture. So I will come to Google and I'll click on lose weight fast. Okay. Then I come to image. Then I'm going to look for a very good picture. Okay, let me get a good picture. I'll be right back. So now I already saved it. I'm going to add the picture I saved. I will add it here, as you can see. So now I'm going to add an image. I'm going to write a write-up here, because this our ClickBank. So to get to your affiliate link, you just click on promote and you put your nickname. If you set up your ClickBank account, you understand. So you put your nickname here and you create your upkin link. So I've already done this uplink link. I now created a Google site. For those of us that don't have a website, you can use Google site. I'm going to show you something right now that is called Google site. So this Google site is going to help us to put this link in. You'll see now. So now, because I've already done that before, let's see what is inside. Let's see the product you want to sell. So this is the product you want to sell. As you can see, is a supplement and very good for weight loss. Okay. So now I'm going to come to my Google site. Okay, this is my Google site, and the this is what I created with my Google site. I'm going to be doing a separate video on this. Okay, because of my time, I couldn't show you how to create this. I will do a separate video on that. Okay, so this is my Google site, and I'm going to use, I already published, so I can generate the link. Okay, generate the link and put on my Quora. So it's against Quora rules that you should put your link just like that. You can't just spam your link on Quora on your answers. Okay, so what you need to do is you're going to select this. You're going to write something like this. If you want to see my #1 supplement for weight loss, click here. So you're going to click something here, and you come down here. You come to this, and it's going to give you options. Okay, and you'll see this link section. Then you put your URL here. You paste your URL and you add. Okay, as you can see, this is our link for the stuff, and we'll post it. So done. So anybody that comes to this place and click on this, as you can see, my stuff is unique. And after reading the articles, after reading my answers, and they click on this link, it will take them to the product, and they search it and they buy it. Okay, and I get my commission. So I hope you are gaining value from this video. Please give this video a thumbs up, share this video out, and join the tech family by subscribing to this channel. Thank you. Let's grow together. So as you share, as the more you answer the question, the more you get to know about Quora. Okay, about Quora, and you can see that if you do not add picture, it's going to be plain. So to make yourself unique, you always add pictures to it. Okay, so I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. So we've come to the end of this tutorial. I hope you gained something from selling affiliate link on Quora. Let me know in the comment section. Are you going to start using Quora to sell your affiliate link? And ask your questions. I'm here to answer you in the comment section. Let's engage together. And please do not forget to like this video, share this video out, and subscribe if you're new, because that will make me to understand that you are gaining from my videos. Okay, and it's going to encourage me to do more. Okay, so thank you very much, and see you in my next video. Bye for now. Cheers.